You are welcome to today's AI graphics masterclass that you need to attend. And I want you to watch this video to the end so that you can have a straightforward knowledge on how to design a flyer, a banner, a social advert with an AI. This is a crash course that I am doing, and it's a master class. So I want you to pay attention to every details that I'm about to perform in today's class. And it's very simple. Put your heads up and try to understand every process. So oftentimes people get it wrong when it comes to AI graphics, and we are going to make something straight. Let us begin. I welcome you to this crash course, and this is AI graphic part 1. So stay tuned to the part 2, but before we continue, I want you to follow us, switch on the notification bell, give us a like, and also send your comments and let us know what we need to do on our next video. This video is for you, regardless of whatever you are doing. Graphic design is an ideology that you are bringing out in a static reality. So I want you to pay attention to every details that we are about to do. Then the first thing before you start is to know what you want to do and have the idea in your head. So we are going to do one or two things so that we can understand more. Now, the first tool we are going to use in this, which is common to everybody, is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is quite common to everybody. So we are going to try using this platform to make our AI graphic design and also make it good, look good. So the first thing is to have your idea. Now, I have my own idea, so I'm about to use that same idea for this training. So what will I do first? I want to make a flyer for my company. So how do I do that? The first thing is I will first greet the AI. So I've made my greeting. Then the second thing is for me to now talk about my company. So I will copy the information of the company. Please pay attention. So this is the information of the company that I have posted here. So if you want to make any graphic design on AI, you don't just start saying, please design this thing for me. You will all get it wrong. So the first thing is to first pass on the information that you want to use from the beginning to the end. Every information that will be in the flyer, you have to pass it naturally, as if you are talking to a hired graphic designer. Let's say you hired someone and you want them to design for you. You have to tell them what they need to do. This is what you should design, make it more beautiful, put the logo, do this, do that. So first you have to greet and you have to pass the information that you want to do. Let AI know what it is about what you are about to do. All the information, like this company is a training company that also you can do your CPT exam after training on that platform. So that is why you see the information. So the next thing I will say is save info. I'll just type save info. So it's going to save it. So this is the first definition of the company. So I've asked it to save the information, like you see, memory updated. So now maybe after sometimes I still remember to add one or two things, like I want to add the company's website. Let me add the website. So because we'll be needing the website in the flyer. So then I will add phone number. So if you have a brand, you can just follow this process to make the design of your brand. So I'm going to attach the phone number here. Then address. I'm going to attach address here. Okay. All right. I'll put Nigeria. Sorry. Okay, so I'll just say save info. So that's just it. It saves the info for you. Then the next thing is for me to bring in the company's logo. Okay, I will have to bring in the company's logo now. So let me go fetch the logo. So you have to make sure that all these things is set in place so that it will be more easier for you to get. Let me bring in the logo here. Right, let me just scroll down. So I'll bring in the logo. There's the logo. Let me throw it. All right. Now to register this logo so that whatever we want to do, it's also going to appear. So the next thing is I'll write save logo info. So you can either say save logo info or save logo. So either of the two. So we'll wait for the AI to save the logo. So the logo is saved. Now what else do we want to do? You go you check the information again and see what you are missing. So if you want to add yourself in the banner, if you want to add yourself or add any picture in the banner, you can just go to where the picture is and save it. When you save the picture, whatever banner you make, AI is going to design the picture with the banner. The picture will be in the banner automatically. So now I'm not using a picture because this is a company's design. So I think that is all we actually need. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make the design. I'm sure you are following the step by step. So regardless of what kind of design, flyer, brochure, course banner that you want to make, certificate, you need to follow this procedure. So you need to first pass on the information and save it. Don't just take all the, because we have seen a lot of courses online that teaches how to design, but this is the master point of all design. So you first need to put in your informations and save it. You must include save info so that when the design is making up, there will be no omission. Now the next step is for us to now make a design. Now when we want to make a design, this is what we are going to see. This is the crucial part that you need to pay attention to. Design a business flyer. So what I put on here is design a business flyer that allows customers not to resist the design but patronize us. The settings is include. So the first statement is for me to make my intentions known. Design a business flyer that allows our customers not to resist the design but patronize us. Now the settings for this flyer is just one line, is include. Now from all my graphics, I realized that the settings, we actually don't use the word settings, we use the word include. Include to us as an AI graphic expert means settings. So once you put include, it means that these are the things that you want specifically on your flyers and these are the things that you don't want. So it stays under include. So I think that is the final thing we are supposed to put here. Now the next step of the final step is for us to put a very good punchline that will make our design unique and stand out. Now I won't say anything now until the design is made up, but please pay pay attention to this last part. This last part is the magic ingredient, so you must not miss the last part. So what is this last part that makes it special than the ones you've been doing? I will show you now. So the last part is where you set up the size and also put some other prompts to make your design come out well. So this is the last part. I am going to remove this one. So look at the prompt now. I say use 4000 pixel by 2000 pixel. That is a very large size of flyer. So, and the law of graphic design is the higher the size, the better the quality of your design production. The lower the size, the lower the quality of your design production. I want you to take note on that. So it means that when your size, your design size is high, when you are printing it, the visual printing will be more clearer. There will be no blur at the edge of any space of your design. So that is why we do more higher size of design, so that we can have a clearer visual. Now look at the last part of the prompt, and you realize that I started the last part with quotation mark and I ended the last part with quotation mark. Now what is the last part saying? Ensure you avoid viewers from discovering its design with an AI. Design it originally, emotionally, and real. Now, we have done all the settings and all what we need to do, and now we want to make our first design. Let's see if it really worth it, your time that you've been watching this masterclass for a while. And before I make the final design, I want you to do us one favor, because this channel is new. I want you to subscribe now and just click on the notification bell. Like this video and send us a comment. Now that we finish all what we want to do from the beginning, we are set to make a design. Now let me click and let's see. Did you see that? Did you see that? Wow. Let's check it out. Let's see. This is really, really amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is really amazing. So my friends, our flyer is done now, and you can see everything comes out very beautiful. Major services, web development, cybersecurity, data analysis, desktop graphic design. I am very so our address is being placed, our WhatsApp, our location. Now our design is made. I'm very happy that you are with me from the beginning to the end of this crash course. Now the next thing is for us to save. You see this drop down arrow, you click on it. Once you click on it, you wait for your design to be downloaded. So my design is saved on my device. Note that this design is strictly mobile usable, mobile friendly, and you can use your mobile phone to make it anywhere, anytime. So let's check out the design on my device. So this is how the design looks like. I can really check it on my device now, and everything looks very sumptuous. I like this part. I like this part. I like this part. Now you have come so far on this video. Now you know how to make your AI graphics without no fear. You know all the procedures that you need to follow. I want you to head up to make your own AI graphic design today and become a professional as we go on. So please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to the next video I'm going to post is how to make a wedding flyer with an AI that will make people interested in coming.